Hello all. I've got this block of medium carbon steel and I'd like to make a different Anvil Hardy swage. I'd like to use this for various tong jaws, and here you can see my simple design slash thought process. If using a hacksaw, you definitely want to use a bimetal blade. So I guess the reason I'm posting this as a video is to show that with just some simple tools and elbow grease, you can make a lot of different tools that you might need for blacksmithing. Yeah, I'm shirtless. It's hot as heck. I need to thank Ron Thacker for his latest Super Thanks donation, and Craig L. Jardine for increasing his Patreon support amount. This channel really needs guys like you, so thanks very much, fellas. You might recall that over a month ago, a cutoff disc I had on my angle grinder broke and hit me in the knuckle. Well, that knuckle slash finger is still not quite right, still hurts, and so I just want to get back to being more simple, safe, and basic, so hence the hacksaw. Although I've sped up this footage for obvious reasons, it really didn't take me more than 15 minutes to make these cuts. So I jumped to using a flat disc to finish this off, but I still feel safe using this sort of tool compared to a cutoff tool. So there it is. If it works the way I want, then I'll heat treat it afterwards. But even if left untreated, it still should be perfectly fine. So I still have to sort out a top tool to use with this, but for the time being I'll just use what I have on hand and see how it goes. This trial piece lets me know that this is going to work for what I want. The funny thing about blacksmithing is you could do it for so long, but sometimes you still don't know what's going to result until you try. At least that's the case with me. So here's 2 tongs I use this swage block on. I'm designing another multi-use swage block that I'd like to sell, and I'm going to incorporate this within that design, as well as half rounds and a step. I'll take that design to the machinist. If anyone is interested in getting one, let me know and I'll do my best. Catch you guys next time.